In my quest to be better dressed in everyday situations and on special occasions, today I'm taking you guys with me to enjoy a beautiful Valentine's Day tasting experience at the Manor at Airmont in Round Hill, Virginia. This is an event that I've gone to several times over the years and I love it. The food is incredible, the service, the environment is amazing, and it's just a good time for a good 3 to 4 hours. And I want you guys to see what I get to experience on Valentine's Day this year. I am very excited to go. Of course, you guys may have seen my Get Ready With Me where I got dressed up just as I am now, but now I'm actually getting ready to go start the car, head off into town, get some business done, and then head on to the event to meet up with my family. If they stick with tradition, this is gonna be, I wanna say, a full 7-course meal experience. And if you live anywhere in Loudoun County, Virginia, or the surrounding regions, you'll definitely want to try to get tickets to come to this next time they do it. The ticket windows are very limited. It's a very short amount of time, and I will be the first to tell you that it is worth every penny, every single time. The ladies there at the Manor doll the place up beautifully with incredible floral arrangements and decor that they do on site. There's always good service with a smile, and if you're looking to get married, this is also the place to go because they host weddings at this space. But without further ado, let's get on out of here and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Listen, I know how it looks, alright? But would you believe me if I told you despite all the snow, it's actually like 60 degrees out here? February in Virginia is the most bipolar thing, I swear. Still, on the off chance it got a little cold out, I got a scarf. So, that's it. Let's go check the space out. See if my folks here. I think they are. So a little bit about this place. This place was built just right around the Civil War period. And it's had a lot of additions and things like that over the years. But man, it really does keep some of that old Victorian charm, and I love it. That's just, oh my goodness. I'm getting there. I just made a fool out of myself. That's a good thing. Hey, what are you most excited about? Yeah, this is the wild mushroom pasta. This is the one thing I look forward to every time. This stuff is so good. It's hard to find this one usually. This is so good. Wild mushroom. I don't even like mushroom. It's the one time I eat it. Oh, yeah. Every time. It's the spot. Got king oyster in there. I think so. Portobello's in here. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Delicious. Look at that. It's still even steaming. My God. That's what I'm talking about. So all in all, this has been incredible. And we're not even at like the final main course. We had several rounds of antipasti. Now we're finally moving into the actual main course. Como primo was what we just ate, and the come secondo is what's next. And we got ribeye with golden Maryland crab cake, pan-seared sea bass with mango relish, and then Texas smoked barbecue brisket with maple Dijon glazed chicken. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so good. You're kidding. Oh my goodness. Woo! Do you see this? Those are the crab cakes, green beans, roast potatoes. There we go. Let's try this ribeye on the rare side though. I love it, a good steak. You gonna ask me that? Has a very nice prime cut, smoky. It hits all the right notes right there. Oh, look at that crab cake. That was absolutely, oh, incredible. You have no idea how good this is. This is incredible. Just a little bit of that red wine sauce. That is so good. Oh my goodness.
Well, what do you think, guys?
Came at the wrong time. I need to be alone right now. Hey, Padre. How you feeling right now?
I'll tell you in a minute.
Yeah?
I feel much better.
Chilean sea bass with some nice asparagus. And I believe he calls it a mango salsa. God, it's so good.
Brisket, barbecue sauce, the maple Dijon chicken, fried rice, and mixed vegetable.
Oh my goodness. So what are you eating? No, this is mine. You can't, this is mine. You can't have none. He's gonna like, I'm gonna grab my fork real fast and I'm gonna shank all this away. It is just now hitting 8 o'clock. Okay. Here we go. Listen, I am a chicken man. Today is cheat day for the diet, so I'm enjoying this. Oh yeah. Bomb big right there. So we just found out there's tiramisu. What's the matter? I thought you liked peach cobbler too.
That's second place.
How happy are you now?
Be happier when I
Tiramisu, espresso cheesecake. Oh my goodness. This is worth all the pain my gallbladder's gonna give me later, let me tell you. Before this thing dies, tiramisu.
I think we're gonna go out
homemade.
Salad, okay?
Yeah. Here we go. Oh man. I'm officially home. I just got back, and allow me to say, one of the best nights I've had in a long time. I love the Valentine's Day event here at the Manor, and now that I'm home, I'm letting the dog out. Even though it was really warm today, we're still dealing with ice at the house. And I know that he's very happy that I'm finally home now because I've been out for a while. The Manor once again knocked it out the park. The tasting was incredible. The food was immaculate. The vibes were great. Even the little guy, my little tiny baby brother, was having a good time with the hostesses. I'm very happy. All that's left to do now is hang out with the pup child, edit this video, and enjoy a well-deserved night's sleep. All in all, I had an incredible time there at the Manor. Huge shout out to y'all. You guys put on one heck of a show, and being able to have functionally 30 different dishes tonight over the course of that whole thing was an experience that I never forget and I always look forward to every year. Thanks again for tuning into the video. God bless you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. You say bye to everybody? You say bye? You say hello? Say bye?
Because it's buttery and smooth. It was like this thick. Oh, they gave me flat on a sandwich. That was like
Sandwich is an interesting pull. I didn't think about doing that.
yeah, we did it.